Hey, meteorologist Pete Mangione here. Happy Friday, and what a Friday it is. We're talking about temperatures in the mid-80s, humidity not too bad. We will have a bit of a breeze out of the southwest at around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Some gusts between 25 and 30. So if maybe you're cutting out of work early today to hit the golf course, yeah, those breezes and gusts may be blowing around your golf shot just a little bit. And as we head into this evening, actually, temperature is really, really comfortable. We're talking about a pleasant overnight. We'll dip into the upper 50s to around 60 for the capital city. You get outside of Providence, I think temperatures easily into the low to mid 50s for overnight lows. So pretty comfortable. And then as we head into the weekend, it's going to be a beautiful Saturday and not a bad Sunday. It's Monday where we do have the chance for some showers as we head into the holiday weekend. So let's detail that for you. I'm actually skipping ahead of Saturday because Saturday is beautiful. Highs generally in the upper 70s. We'll have low humidity. Sunday, we'll start to see some increasing clouds. You may have some showers approaching by Sunday night. I would say daytime. Sunday plans are fine, though, if you're maybe having a barbecue or a cookout. Then on Monday, for Labor Day, we're talking about the chance for some showers. Now, if we can luck out, this disturbance, this boundary will stay mostly to our north, but we can't rule out some sprinkles and showers at this point. I would not call it a washout, but there are still some things that could change for that Monday forecast. It may change where we don't have many showers at all, or the showers could be a little bit more frequent on Monday. We'll just have to wait and see how that plays out. In the meantime, have a good weekend. You can go to our website and click the links on tracking Dorian, obviously a very serious hurricane and a potentially extremely serious situation for Florida, especially the eastern coast of Florida. So you can go to our links on WPRI.com to get the latest on that. Thanks, and we'll be posting more updates here on WPRI.com throughout the weekend.